how to get and set up CountBot on Discord server. So if you want to get and set up CountBot on your Discord server, then first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, now you need to search for CountBot, and here you need to go with the first option, and here you will have the CountBot. So you need to just click on invite CountBot, and it will take you to this Discord application. So select your server in which you would like to add the bot, go with continue, scroll down, go with authorize, and here you need to select I'm a human, and then go with next or continue again. Now you need to go with your server, and you've added your count bot. So this is your bot, right? Now to set up this bot, now just simply enter slash, and then you need to go with your count bot that you've just added. Scroll down and then go with the count, or just simply enter slash config space set channel, and then enter your channel name in which you would like to set as a counting channel, and hit the enter, and that's it. Now you can simply go with your channel, and you can enter 1, 2, or any other numbers, and your count bot will be activated. It will work. So that's how you can get and set up your count bot on your Discord server. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.